Hey guys, it's Janice, the Internet Marketing Nomad, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Sobuy and how to upgrade to one of the VIP levels. Okay, please forgive me for the video quality. It's terrible because I'm just using my laptop camera, and after using my other camera, it's not that great. But anyway, I've been at work tonight and I'm just banging off a whole bunch of videos trying to get them out of the way, and I can't afford to lose time, so I'm sacrificing quality of my webcam. Okay, you see who I am, you know this is me, and that's the only reason that I have my face in this video. So I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for Sobuy and upgrade your account. Okay, so I have a link here. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it up here in my browser. And you see it shows up as sobuy.club and the inviter link. Because I'm on, you know, a lot of people are using the mobile app and it's way cleaner looking. On PC or laptop, it doesn't really look quite as good. So anyway, it says here, please enter your phone number. And I'll add an extra digit and then enter the verification code. So I'm entering this over here, 4228. Enter the login password. Now I already have a login password. I'm going to create a new one. Verification code error. Oh, okay, something went wrong there. So let's try that again. 090032 and register now. Login successful. So I have another login name. Okay. So I've saved my new login. Now, like I mentioned, you guys, this was actually optimized for mobile, so it looks really bad on PC, but trust me, it's the real deal. It works. And now I have a new account. And you will see if I click down here on VIP, it's going to tell me that I am a wait, somewhere it should tell me right here under my, that I am a VIP 0. And this is my new account number. I am level VIP 0. I have no balance and blah, blah, blah. Now, my personal information is, it says my real name is 0. So let's change that to detailed. Put my real name, my phone number, and my real email. And it says shopping address, which is kind of funny because it's kind of a shopping or shipping address, whatever you want to call it. So I'm actually going to blur this out as well for privacy reasons. And submit. Success. And now I need a bank card. So you guys, this is very important. Lots of things are really important, but this is really important. In Sobuy, you don't enter an actual bank card. Your bank card is actually going to be your wallet address where you can receive your earnings too. Okay, so you need to have, you'll already know if you've been watching my videos that you need a USDC or a USDT wallet. Now, because I've already created these videos for Binance, and I showed you that I have a USDT wallet in here, I'm going to put my USDT wallet in here again. Okay, I'm going to use the same wallet. That way I can just, I don't know, keep track of all my earnings really in one wallet. So I'm going to choose a network, USDT. Oh, well, first So you're going to choose USDC. Maybe you already have a USDC account. And if you do, it needs to be on the BEP20 Binance Smart Chain Network. Okay, BSC means Binance Smart Chain. And maybe you already have a USDT wallet. Well, make sure that it can accept TRC20, okay? I'll show you how to create that wallet, okay? So I'm going to click on deposit, and the network deposit to is, we want to choose the TRC20 account. See down here it says TRX Tron TRC20. This doesn't mean that we're receiving Tron. It just means it's on the Tron network. And the thing about the Tron network is it's really fast and it's really cheap. So I'm going to choose the TRX 20. And now this is my new address. And this is the address that I'm going to copy into Sobuy. Okay? So I've already clicked USDT, choose network, USDT TRC20, confirm. And now the withdrawal address, this is the address that when I withdraw my earnings from Sobuy, this is the address that they're going to be sent to. So I just created that wallet address, and this is what it looks like. You can copy it and right click and paste, or you can just click to copy and click paste. Double check everything. It's TRC20 and it's the right address. It copied the whole thing. I always like to double check the first 4 or 5 digits. TUI7. Yep, TUI7. And the last 4 or 5 digits, KITHA. KITHA. Yep. Looks right to me. I haven't missed any digits, and add it now. And now it says the card number is bound. So that's it. That's my banking information. And isn't that funny? My real name is 1. Let's go here. Real name, Janice Giesinger. Submit. And now I'm going to create a fund password. Now, this password is different than your login password, and I highly suggest you do this because if somebody hacks your account, if they try to use your login password and that's the right password, they can just, well, I don't know what they can do. Well, they can change stuff, and you don't want them to do that. So, my new money code. So they call it a money code. So when you go to withdraw your funds, they might ask you for your money code. So here's my new money code. So I will just choose a different. I'm writing it down. I have a very special place for all of these things. I don't know how secure it is, but anyway. And I will click submit. And no thank you. And that's it. So I added my wallet address. I added my details. I added my bank card. I already did that. And you can add BSC if you want as well. You don't have to just have USDT. You can add the USDC as well. So it says, I have no earnings. That's fine. I haven't done anything yet. And I could actually earn, well, we could do some tasks right now. So let's just go ahead and do that. Because I think I've done everything else. So click down here on my. Oh, I'm in my already. Do I have to do anything else? Funding details, withdraw, recharge and withdraw. No, I don't think I do. So there is something we do need to do, and we need to verify this account. So I'm going to make a separate video about that. So let's go back to home. And let's just do some tasks. I forgot when you're a free member that they display the tasks like that. So I clicked on it. It says right here I'll earn $1. Submit. I'm still considered a free member, you guys, because my account hasn't been verified. So I can still earn some money. Oh, I need one of these. Oh, I need that for my mountain bikes. And you'll notice all of the ads are under a certain amount of dollars. So also, I think I might have only one more. Success. Pretty soon, it's going to tell me that my time is up. And let's try another one. We'll click on this one. See, it says today's times have run out. We'll click again so you can see it. Today's times have run out. That means I've done my 10 tasks. And now when I go to click down here on my, see, it says I've earned $10. I completed 10 out of 10 tasks. My total revenue is 10 Australian dollars. And the balance is 724 USDT. Now, I'm not going to be able to withdraw this until I have $25 in my account, but because I've already upgraded, when I upgrade, this will still be added to my new balance when I start clicking as an upgraded member. So keep that in mind, folks, when you watch the next video, because the next video is, if you thought this one was important, the next one is very, very, very important because you need to get your account verified. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And I am going to block some things out because this video really is just for people who have upgraded from my link. Okay, so if you're watching this and you're not part of my team, what I'm going to show you in the next video isn't going to work for you. Okay, so, but if you're watching this and you're on my team, pay very close attention. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video where I show you how to get your account verified. Thanks again. Bye.